St. Louis First Forecast.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for checking in to St. Louis First Forecast, your latest video forecast for Tuesday, March 11th, 2014. My name is Bentley, and I'm the Chief Forecaster at St. Louis First Forecast. Our high today was 81 degrees, set at around 5 o'clock today, and we have snow and gold in the forecast once again, as a common weather pattern this winter, of course. But let me tell you something, it's going to drop. It's going to go from 81 at 5 o'clock today all the way down to about 33 by 6 o'clock with some snow. So, again, crazy weather in St. Louis. You must expect it, though, if you lived here so many years before. Let's go to our current temps. We'll talk about that snow chance in just a little bit right now. Current temps across the area, 72 in St. Louis, 73 in Collinsville, 71 in Waterloo, 71 in Belleville, and measuring in exactly 70 down in Arnold. So again, these temperatures across the bi-state area are reading in the low to mid-70s across the region, but that's going to change as a sharp cold front comes down from Canada this evening with our next chance of rain, thunderstorms, and a chance for some snow tomorrow morning. Let's go to our right now forecast. In St. Louis, right now's forecast. South winds approaching at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Our current temperature right now is 72 degrees, and our relative humidity is exactly 46%, 29.48 will do it for the barometric pressure, and it is rising as the rain is moving in St. Louis. We have a few thunderstorms around popping for that cold front. We'll show you the radar in just a few minutes. But first of all, let's go to our almanac right now. Let's go to our almanac in St. Louis. So our almanac in St. Louis, guess what? I gotta show you this average high. It's pretty impressive. Right now, our high today, 83 degrees. Our high in about 12 hours, let me tell you, 33 degrees will be at around 6 a.m. Our average high for this time, you're looking at 54 degrees. Our average low is 35. So again, we are way above the freaking average high. I'll tell you that right now, folks. We're way above the average high. We're always either way above or way below. We can't get like an average anything in St. Louis. Again, you'd expect that. Record high was 85, set in 1973, and we were this close to basically making it to that record high, and our record low was 8, set in 1946. So sunrise 7:19, sunset 7:05 p.m. So again, those days are longer as spring approaches, but Mother Nature is reminding us that, hey, it's still winter. So let's go to our live Doppler radar right now. Our live Doppler radar shows kind of showers and storms popping up in and around town in St. Louis, especially with this cold front. I'll show you guys the cold front radar. So basically, this cold front right here that stretches across the states, Indiana, Ohio, and Illinois, Missouri, Kansas City. Everyone's getting hit with this cold shower blast air. Now, basically, the storms are firing up just along and north of this cold front. So, see these showers and storms popping up towards this area here, towards like the Bowling Green area. Anything north of this cold front, it's popping. Now, as this cold front slides south into St. Louis tonight, expect some pretty gusty winds. North winds approaching at around 30 miles per hour, wind gusts up to 45 miles per hour, with some heavy rain and thunderstorms through the evening. Expect to change over to snow around, 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning or so. Let's get right down to business in our weather headlines right now. Weather headlines, first of all, big monster, ginormous drop in the temperatures tonight as we go from, listen, 81 degrees at 5 o'clock all the way down to 33 by 6 a.m. If that's not a big temperature drop, then what is? All right, then comes the next chance for some low 30s for the morning. That light snow's around. We're going to talk about accumulations in just a second. And then it warms up by midweek next week. And also, the warm returns by Thursday with highs in the upper 50s to lower 60s. So again, pretty impressive weather, but hey, it's St. Louis, so you really kind of got to expect it across the area. So first of all, let's go to our current potential for snowfall. Now this is the 18Z GFS model. Watch it. It tries to bring the low track a little bit north, basically. So it's going to basically hammer the Ohio Valley places north, basically from northern Missouri all the way across to the northeast. That's the best chance for some accumulating snows, up to 20 inches in spots for the places like Maine and New York. You're getting slammed as the kind of the light pinks over there represent the heavy snowfall. And then as we kind of head down our area right here in Missouri right here, that is around 1, maybe 2 inches of snow across northern Missouri. And then as you kind of head south of St. Louis, we'll talk about accumulation in just a second. But that's kind of our model runs we look at for our winter storms. And we kind of have these different model runs that show. Right now I'm going with the GFS output. There's the GFS, the NAM, the Euro, many more models we look at, but this is the one I'm kind of favoring. So the Ohio Valley gets pretty clobbered as well, Michigan as well, so places pretty much north. This is going to be northern storm for you. So accumulations, we're thinking accumulations, this is by tomorrow at around 10 o'clock in the morning as the snow moves out. We're thinking these accumulations right now. Accumulations from about central Missouri all the way across into the St. Louis area. This stretch right here, we're looking at about a dusting to 2 inches on grassy surfaces. The roads could have a few slushy spots at best, but again, since we're not really going to drop below freezing overnight, it's not looking like a possibility for the morning commute will be too terribly bad. But again, watch some slick spots. Then after you go from that dusting to 2 inches, you move to the north where the main part of the storm is. and you're going to see 2 to 4, maybe 5 inches possible across northern Missouri and into northern Illinois. Chicago might get around 5 inches of snow with this as well. So again, we're watching this chance now. If this changes, we'll let you know, but right now we're looking at dusting to 2 inches in St. Louis and 2 to 4 inches for points just to the north of St. Louis. So first of all, our storm timeline across the bi-state area right now, this is basically going to cover the next 12 hours or so let's talk about this right now. First of all, by 6 o'clock p.m., we're 70 degrees, mostly cloudy and windy. Then as we go to 12 o'clock a.m., there's that cold front starting to move. We're already at 55 degrees with heavy rain and thunder. Watch for some thunder and lightning. Not severe by any means, but some just classic spring storms are possible around midnight. Then watch this. As we go into 6 o'clock, this is where the winds start picking up after midnight or so. We really drop temperatures down by 6 o'clock. We're looking at exactly mostly cloudy skies with some snow moving in as the backside of the storm system moves in. So heavy to moderate snow at possible times, possible blizzard-like conditions. So snow right here, minor accumulations are possible by around 10 o'clock. Now we're looking at anything too significant, a dusting to 2 inches at best. Thinking St. Louis will kind of measure out about that 1 inch mark by the time the snow is all said and done. It will melt by the afternoon though, so no significant problems with this. But here's your day planner. So basically 6 p.m. 70, and then by 6 o'clock right here it is 33 degrees with some minor accumulations of snow. So definitely some St. Louis weather going on in and around town in St. Louis. Your tonight's forecast for St. Louis, let me tell you something, pretty cold, but hey, not too bad. With north winds approaching at 20 to 30 miles per hour. 33 will do it for the low as that rain and thunder kind of moves out and the snow moves in after around 3 o'clock a.m. or so. Tomorrow's forecast for you guys, 40 degrees will do it as the a.m. snow moves out. We're going to move to mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies in the afternoon with a high of 40 degrees. Our 7-day forecast for you guys shows basically a lot of things that are basically spring. Let me tell you, after Wednesday, there's a.m. snow showers, high at 40. As we go to Thursday, we're already in the lower 60s across the bi-state region. Friday, 66. It even gets better than this. Saturday, 62. We have our next cold front on Sunday with our another chance of some rain. This does not look like any snow at this point, so we're just going to put some rain showers down on Sunday with a high of 47. Monday, 49, and then we have about 2 chilly days. We might make it to 50 on both of those days, and then watch. Wednesday, and then watch. We get to Tuesday next week. We got a high of 63 right now. So again, spring's going to dominate, especially next week. Anyone who's on spring break next week, look at the 7-day forecast for you guys. Pretty impressive across the bi-state area. So let's recap. Wednesday 40, Thursday 61, Friday 66, Saturday, Sunday looking pretty chilly with highs in the upper 40s. Maybe some lower 50s in spots in and around town. So again, be careful when you're driving to work tomorrow morning. Can't be too bad, but I can't rule out a possible slick spot or two. Thank you for checking into our latest video forecast. Have a great day, St. Louis.